Hey there, in this video I'm going to talk about the basic difference between a microcontroller and a microprocessor. What you see on the screen is a block diagram of a digital computer. This computer comprises of a CPU, a secondary memory, let's say flash memory, a primary memory, a main memory, let's say it is SRAM, and you can see input and output devices here. Let's say the input device is a push button and the output device is an LED. Alright, now let's build a computer. You got two options. Option 1 is take a motherboard, okay, take CPU chip, place it here, put RAM chip, put memory chip, flash memory chip, connect them externally. Now put a push button here and connect it to CPU and take an LED, place it here and connect. This is CPU, this is SRAM, this is flash, LED, this is push button. Okay, so this is a typical computer. This let's call it as an architecture 1. The other option what you have is take the motherboard, put one chip here, put push button here, put LED here. Okay, what chip it is, what it contains. In this chip all these three components are embedded. It contains CPU, main memory, SRAM, flash. Okay, these three components, CPU, SRAM and flash, these are embedded inside one chip and you call that chip as MCU, microcontroller unit, and connect push button through a digital input, connect LED through a digital output. Okay, so this is architecture 2. In the architecture 1, this chip is called as CPU, sorry, microprocessor, and in the architecture 2 this chip we call as microcontroller, MCU, microcontroller unit. Microcontroller contains all the components required. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is when you use the CPU as an individual chip without having any memory or any IOs, that chip is called as microprocessor unit. When you take a chip which includes CPU and memory and other required stuffs in it, and it is one chip which has all the stuffs, then that chip is called as microcontroller unit. So microcontrollers are mainly used in embedded systems. Let's say you have a temperature sensor it may be having a microcontroller in it. That does not mean that microprocessors are not used in embedded systems. Some big embedded systems like set-top box or mobile phone, they mainly use microprocessor units. That's all I have in this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.